Have you ever met someone who instantly clicked with you? Someone who seemed to understand you on a deeper level? What if I told you this wasn't just a coincidence, but a powerful psychological technique called mirroring? Mirroring is a subtle yet highly effective tactic used to build rapport, gain trust, and influence others without them even realizing it. By imitating someone's body language, tone, or emotions, you can create a sense of familiarity and connection that opens the door to persuasion. In this video, we'll explore how mirroring works, why it's so effective, and how you can use it in your everyday life to connect with anyone. What is mirroring? Mirroring is the act of subtly imitating someone's behavior, speech patterns, or emotions to build a sense of similarity. Humans are naturally drawn to people who reflect their own traits because it triggers feelings of safety and familiarity. This tactic doesn't mean copying someone blatantly. Instead, it's about reflecting their mannerisms and energy in a way that feels natural and effortless. For example, if someone is speaking softly and calmly, lowering your tone to match theirs creates an immediate sense of harmony. When done effectively, mirroring makes the other person feel valued, understood, and deeply connected to you. Why does mirroring work? The power of mirroring lies in its psychological impact. People are hardwired to seek connection, and mirroring exploits this subconscious need by creating a bond that feels genuine. It also aligns with principles of neuro-linguistic programming, NLP, where rapport building is key to effective communication. By reflecting someone's behavior, you disarm their defenses and foster trust. For example, if a coworker uses specific phrases like team effort while presenting an idea, mirroring their language and enthusiasm can make them feel like you're on the same wavelength, strengthening your professional relationship. How to use this method? To use mirroring effectively, start with body language. Pay attention to the other person's posture, gestures, and movements, and subtly adopt similar positions or actions. For instance, if they cross their arms while speaking, wait a moment and then casually cross yours. Next, match their tone and speech patterns. If they speak slowly and softly, adjust your own tone to reflect that. If they're energetic and animated, increase your energy level accordingly. Language is another powerful tool for mirroring. Repeat key phrases or words they use to create a sense of alignment. For example, if someone says, "I'm feeling overwhelmed," you can respond with, "I can see how overwhelming that must feel for you." This not only shows empathy, but also strengthens the bond. Mirroring also involves synchronizing emotional states. If someone is excited about an achievement, share their enthusiasm by smiling or expressing similar excitement. Conversely, if they're upset, lower your tone and respond with understanding. This emotional alignment creates trust and fosters connection. Over time, you can also mirror habits and routines to build deeper relationships. For instance, if a colleague always grabs coffee at a certain time, casually join them one day to strike up a conversation and establish rapport. Real-life applications of mirroring. Mirroring is a versatile technique with applications in nearly every aspect of life, from personal relationships to professional interactions. In friendships, mirroring helps create a stronger bond by making people feel understood. For example, when a friend is excitedly sharing good news, matching their enthusiasm by smiling or using an upbeat tone fosters a deeper connection. In romantic relationships, mirroring emotions during discussions, such as adopting a calm and empathetic tone when your partner is upset, can improve communication and resolve conflicts more effectively. In the workplace, mirroring plays a vital role in building rapport with colleagues, clients, or interviewers. For instance, subtly matching an interviewer's tone, body language, or energy level during a job interview can create a sense of alignment and leave a lasting positive impression. Similarly, in sales or customer service, mirroring the customer's attitude and communication style helps establish trust and make them feel valued, increasing the chances of a successful interaction. Even in parenting, mirroring your child's emotions, such as empathizing with their frustration or excitement, can strengthen your bond and encourage open communication. Whether you're resolving conflicts, negotiating deals, or building connections, mirroring allows you to adapt to others' behaviors and emotions, creating an atmosphere of trust and cooperation in almost any situation. How to protect yourself from being mirrored. While mirroring is a powerful tool for building connections, it can also be used manipulatively by those who seek to influence or control you. To protect yourself, start by being aware of how others interact with you. If someone seems to be overly imitating your behavior or agreeing with you too readily, take a step back and evaluate their intentions. Ask yourself, does this person genuinely align with my perspective, or are they trying to gain my trust for their own benefit? Another way to protect yourself is by testing authenticity. Shift your tone or body language slightly and see if they immediately adapt to your changes. Genuine connections are built on mutual understanding, not constant imitation. Finally, trust your instincts. If someone's behavior feels forced or insincere, maintain boundaries and avoid sharing too much personal information until you're sure of their intentions. Let me leave you with this. Have you ever noticed how people respond more positively when they feel you truly understand them? How could your life change if you mastered this subtle art of influence? In our next video, we'll explore another powerful dark psychology tactic: framing. Learn how to control the narrative and steer conversations in your favor. Stay tuned for more insights into the fascinating world of dark psychology and the art of persuasion.